Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the video lesson. I'm Shweta Gupta, your maths teacher. Today, I'm going to teach you part 4 of lesson number 17 of your maths book. The topic of the part is word sums. So, let's get started. Children, we have done question number 1, 2 and 3 of exercise 17C in the previous video lesson. So now in this video lesson we will do question number 4, 6 and 7 of exercise 17C. So question number 4 is Irfan and Ishan were painting a wall. Irfan painted the diamond-shaped portion. Ishan painted the rest. What area did each paint? Children, in the picture you can see that there is a wall which is rectangle in shape, and the diamond shaped area which is colored with yellow color, that area is painted by Irfan, and the rest of the area inside the rectangular wall is painted by Ishan. So let us find out the area painted by each of them. So first of all, what we will do, let's name the rectangular wall as PQRS, and the two lines dividing the rectangular wall as AB and CD. You can see the two lines which are the dotted lines. Okay. Now, line CD divides the rectangular wall into two equal halves. Okay. And line AB further divides the rectangular wall into four equal parts. So children, we have four rectangles which are equal in size. So we can say rectangle PCOA is equal to rectangle AODS, which is equal to rectangle CQBO, which is in turn equal to rectangle OBRD. In this way, all the four rectangles are equal, or we can say that these two lines AB and CD divides the rectangular wall into four equal small rectangles, right? Now children, so area of these four rectangles is equal to length into breadth, where length is 4 meter and breadth of each rectangle is 1.2 meter. So 4 meter multiplied by 1.2 meter is equal to 4.8 square meter. So this is the area of each of these four rectangles. Now children, diagonal AC divides the rectangle PCOA into two equal halves, which is triangle 1 is equal to triangle 2. So diagonal AC is dividing this rectangle PCOA into two equal triangle 1 and triangle 2, and both of these triangles are equal. Diagonal BC divides the rectangle CQBO into two equal halves, which is triangle 3 and triangle 4, and triangle 3 is equal to triangle 4. In the same way, diagonal BD divides the rectangle OBRD into two equal halves, that is triangle 5 and triangle 6, and triangle 5 is equal to triangle 6. And at last, diagonal AD divides the rectangle AODS into two equal halves, that is triangle 7 is equal to triangle 8. Now children, Since all the four rectangles are equal, so we can say that all the triangles are also equal. Therefore, area of each triangle is equal to half multiplied by area of each rectangle, which is equal to 4.8 square meters. So 1 by 2 multiplied by 4.8 square meter, or we can say 4.8 divided by 2 is equal to 2.4 square meters. So area of each of these 8 triangle is equal to 2.4 square meter. Now area painted by Irfan is equal to area of triangle 2 plus area of triangle 4 plus area of triangle 6 plus area of triangle 8. Okay, which is coming in the diamond shape portion. And this is equal to 2.4 plus 2.4 plus 2.4 plus 2.4, that is 9.6 square meter. So this is the area which is painted by Irfan. Now area painted by Ishan is equal to area of triangle 1 plus area of triangle 3 plus area of triangle 5 plus area of triangle 7. And as we know that the area of all these triangles are equal, which is equal to 2.4. So what do? We will add 2.4 plus 2.4 plus 2.4 plus 2.4, which in turn will be equal to 9.6 square meter. So this is the area painted by Ishan. So this way we get the answer. Now let's come to question number 6 of this exercise. The question is, Mrs. Razdan wants to use tiles of length 20 centimeter and breadth 10 centimeter to cover the floor of a balcony shown in the figure. What is the area of the balcony? How many tiles does she need to buy? And in the bracket it is given 1 square meter is equal to 10,000 square centimeter. So now children, look at the figure. In the figure you can see the picture of the balcony, right? Now what we are going to do, let us see how we are going to solve this word sum. First of all, let us divide the balcony into two rectangles, rectangle 1 and rectangle 2, as shown in the figure. Now, area of rectangle 1 is equal to 4 meter multiplied by 2 meter, where 4 meter is the length of the rectangle 1 and 2 meter is the breadth of rectangle 1. Now, this is equal to 8 square meter. So 8 square meter is the area of rectangle 1. Area of rectangle 2 is equal to 6 meter multiplied by 2 meter, where 6 meter is the length of rectangle 2 and 2 meter is the breadth of rectangle 2. So 6 meter multiplied by 2 meter is equal to 12 square meter. Now children, the total area of the floor of the balcony is equal to area of rectangle 1 plus area of rectangle 2. So 8 square meter plus 12 square meter, which in turn is equal to 20 square meter. Now, as it is given in the question that 1 square meter is equal to 10,000 square centimeter, so 20 square meter is equal to 20 multiplied by 10,000 square centimeter, which is equal to 2 lakh square centimeter. Now, area of one tile is equal to 20 centimeter multiplied by 10 centimeter, where 20 centimeter is the length of the tile and 10 centimeter is the breadth of the tile. So, the area of one tile is equal to 200 square centimeter. So now we can say that 200 square centimeter area of the floor is covered by one tile, as it is the area of one tile, right? So, or therefore, 2 lakh square centimeter area of the floor is covered by 2 lakh divided by 200, that is equal to 1000 tiles. So, Mrs. Rajdan will have to buy 1000 tiles. Now let's come to question number 7 of this exercise. It says Aradhna was sticking pictures on a chart of length 60 centimeter and breadth 50 centimeter. She left a border of 4 centimeter all around. How much space was left for sticking the pictures? Children, as you can see in the picture, the figure is given and the chart paper, you can see the chart paper is rectangular in shape where 60 centimeter is the length and 50 centimeter is the breadth of the chart paper. And you can see the border which is left by Aradhna, and the width of the border is 4 centimeter, and you can see the border on each side of the chart. So, area of chart is equal to length multiplied by breadth, which is equal to 60 centimeter multiplied by 50 centimeter, which in turn is equal to 3000 square centimeter. Now, the space left along the length for sticking the pictures. So, along the length, after leaving 4 centimeter border on each side, what is left? What much space is left? Let us find out. 60 minus 4 plus 4 centimeter. So, 60 minus 8, which is equal to 52 centimeter. So, this is the space left along the length for sticking the picture. Now, space left along the breadth of the chart paper for sticking the picture. So, what we have to do? We have to again subtract 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter from the breadth, that is 50 minus 4 plus 4 centimeter. So 50 minus 8, which is equal to 42 centimeters. So this is the space left along the breadth of the chart paper for sticking the pictures. Okay, after leaving the border of 4 centimeter on each side. So now area or space left for sticking the pictures is equal to 52 centimeter multiplied by 42 centimeter, which is equal to 2184 square centimeter. Therefore, children, our answer is 2184 square centimeter space is left for sticking the picture. So this way we have come to the end of exercise 17C. I hope all of you have understood all the word sums of this exercise thoroughly and properly. Thank you, my dear student, for watching the video lesson till the end. Keep watching, keep learning.